you still watch my channel, Glitter Sparkle Shine Girl, and today I'm here with Mini Maryellen, and I have her camper right here, which is hers, and this is also a set for the camper. It is called Maryellen's Campfire cooking set, and it has lots of breakfast foods like pancakes, sausage, eggs. So it would be good for breakfast or anything like that. And you can add these accessories to the camper if you have it. So now let's open it. So I'm almost done taking everything out of the box. So now everything's out of the box. And now we're going to open it up. That's right here, so you guys can see what it looks like. So first, I'm going to open this bag. First, it looks like we have a pancake mix box for making pancakes. Next, we have a teapot. A frying pan. So if we're gonna fry sausage or pancakes. And this is the pancake. So let's take it out of the bag. That looks so real. Then we have a plate to put our food on when it's done cooking. Then we have a cup because with our teapot we're gonna go like that. We have a spatula to flip our pancakes. We also have a fork to eat. And then for the rest of our food, we have eggs. And then lastly, we have sausage. So the next thing I'm going to open up is this pot. So it's a big blue pot, and it's going to hang on here like that. Same thing with the teapot. Then this. So this is there's this stone fire, and then there's this grill. Then when you're going to need some batteries, but when you press this button, the fire lights up. It's like a little fire. So now we're going to set this all up. So first I'm going to poke these in, and right hanging from here is going to be the pot, and then the teapot because we need hot tea. So then we have this frying pan, and first we're frying sausage. Turn this fire on. Then we're frying eggs. Let's see if I can flip it. Oh. Let's fry a pancake. So the pancake's already made, but you can still pretend to fry it. So let's see if we can flip it. Oh, I almost did it. So now we're going to set up our breakfast. So we have our tea, so let's pour that in. And then our food, pancake, and egg, and sausage. That is a perfect breakfast. So Actually, I'm going to try to use this to flip it. Flip. I did it! Yay! So, I'll keep that there. And then I'll just keep our pancake mix to the side. And then we have our fork right there. So this is a perfect breakfast. So then our doll Christina right here. She looks like she likes it. And Maryellen's gonna sit right by the campfire. Then they can eat it. And Maryellen's gonna try some of the egg. And then the sausage. So I really like this set, and it's going to go great with Maryellen's camper. And I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. Bye!